If you see a red number on an app icon like Messages, Mail, Instagram, or Settings, that is called a badge notification. It shows how many unread alerts, messages, emails, or updates are waiting inside the app. For example, if your Messages app shows a red circle with 5, it means you have 5 unread messages. If Mail shows 20, you probably have 20 unread emails. Badges help you quickly check what apps need your attention without opening every app. Now, let me show you how to turn badges on or off on iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Choose any app like Messages, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Mail. Tap on Customize Notifications if available, or directly look for the Badges option. Now turn the Badges toggle on or off. If badges are enabled, you will see red notification numbers on the app icon. If you turn badges off, the red number disappears, but you can still receive notifications on the lock screen, notification center, or banners, depending on your settings. Some apps also use badges for pending tasks, reminders, app updates, or missed calls. For example, the Settings app may show a badge when a new iOS update is available, and the App Store may show badges for apps waiting to update. If badge notifications are not working properly on your iPhone, try these quick fixes. Make sure notifications are enabled for that app. Check that Badges is turned on inside notification settings. Restart your iPhone. Update the app and your iPhone software. Also make sure Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb is not blocking notifications. That's it. Now you know what badges are on iPhone and how to manage them easily.